Hey Busy Bees, welcome to Momdays. Today we're going to be talking about daily eating and lifestyle habits that keep me as a woman feeling balanced. I've partnered with Azo to share 2 meal prep ideas that have been keeping me feeling energized, and we're also going to be talking about what you can do to protect and maintain your feminine health. Be sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to have more girl talk like this. Okay, so breakfast. I'm always scrambling to figure out what to make, and since we've been going to the farmer's market and there's been an abundance of fresh produce, I've been incorporating that into my daily breakfast meals. So this might sound weird, but I really enjoy eating zoodles for breakfast. I know, like, you don't need the whole bolognese, you don't need all the works for that. All I do is saute about half a zucchini, zoodles, with some olive oil and a little bit of salt. Then I add a fried egg right on top. The zoodles act as a bed for the egg. Throw in some fresh summer cherry tomatoes, then some sliced avocados. Finally, to season and dress it all up, I love adding some everything bagel seasoning on top. So this looks like a very complete breakfast, wouldn't you say? It's full of fiber from the zucchinis, and then the lycopene, choline, fiber, and potassium in the tomatoes support heart health. And of course, like the avocados, it's healthy fat, so it keeps me satisfied. I would say this has been so much more energizing than eating avocado toast specifically, because that, while it keeps me full, I feel like I run out of energy. So this one right now helps me chase after heresy every morning. Of course, I like to enjoy my cup of coffee every morning with some milk because, let's face it, the girl wakes up earlier and earlier every day, and I need my coffee. So Nate and I have actually been talking about maybe expanding our family, but I don't quite feel ready yet. The last time, well, my first time giving birth to a baby, it was a little bit traumatic and I pushed for 3 hours. I don't quite feel ready to go through all that yet, so my goal right now is to get my reproductive system, my organs, and just my body in tip-top shape. So that's why I've been taking this Azo Complete Feminine Balance Daily Probiotic to really help me feel balanced. If you want to learn more about this supplement, it's actually really great for women's health. It has a clinically studied blend of 4 unique probiotic strains found in healthy women. It's safe and beneficial for all women, including pregnant women. It helps maintain a healthy pH level, and it's been clinically shown to work in 7 days. So that gets me through my morning, and now it's lunchtime. So for lunch, I typically just try to eat something as fast as possible. I'm not usually a salad person, but I've been really enjoying this salad. It's fresh, it's yummy, and I'm gonna start by showing you guys my tahini vinaigrette. So in a small bowl, I'll add 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of tahini, which is like sesame butter, ground sesame, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a tang. If you don't like apple cider vinegar, you can always add lemon juice, white vinegar, anything that's a little bit tangy, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of water to thin it all out. Then just mix, mix, mix. All right, now I'm gonna show you how to assemble my favorite summer kale salad. I just start by adding some kale into a large bowl. Then I'll add some chickpeas, shredded carrots, pumpkin seeds, chopped celery, and then for the fruity component, you really could use any fruit you'd like. I love adding apples, peaches, strawberries. Today I'm using peaches. And then some sunflower seeds. This is a really beautiful salad. I have the kale for that fibrous greens, chickpeas for plant-based protein. We also have some nuts, actually no nuts. We have pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. You can definitely add some almonds in here if you'd like. I need to put that on my shopping list. And then just some celery and carrots and peaches to add a nice crunch and sweetness. So now let's dress our salad with the tahini vinaigrette. I want to mention that for the tahini vinaigrette, I like it really tangy and sour. I love sour things, but if you don't want it too acidic, go ahead and just reduce the amount of apple cider vinegar to like 2 teaspoons. And now we'll just toss it up. This looks good, let's serve it. So this makes enough for 2, possibly 3, depending on your portion size. If you are just making this for yourself, the great thing about kale is that it doesn't get soggy, so this is perfect for meal prep, even if you do decide to dress it. I recommend if you're gonna pack it up for the next few days, leave the dressing on the side until you're ready to eat it. But if you dress it and decide to eat it later in the evening, it's gonna be good still. And now I'll just add a chicken breast to complete the meal. You guys, look how colorful this salad is. It's so vibrant. It looks like a bowl of health. Whoa, I literally got almost everything in the salad in one forkful. Like that never happens perfectly like this. That was so great. Another added benefit that I just thought of while I was chewing is that since kale is so cruciferous, you have to chew a lot and it really helps to strengthen your jaw. Another added benefit you would never think of, right? Anyways, you guys let me know what you take and what you do to get yourself ready for pregnancy again. I mean, if you have already been through it and planning on having another kid, I'd love to know what your mindset and thinking was because I am there right now and I'm a little bit freaked out. And also, if you're not pregnant, let me know what you do to maintain your feminine health because as a woman, it's so important for us to really think about our health down there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really enjoy having these candid female talks with you guys, and I'd love to continue. So see you next time on Mom Days. Bye!